Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make 1 million Kenyan shillings from zero, and you can do this. If you don't know how much 1 million Kenyan shillings is in your country, just go to Google and convert KES into your local currency to know how much that is going to be in your country. So I'm going to show you, not to show you, but to explain to you step by step what you can do right now to start your journey towards making 1 million Kenyan shillings from any country. And there are people that have done this. If you go on YouTube and search, you will see people that have done this. Now, this is what you're going to do. First, I'm going to tell you a website where you're going to go in order to get these results just in a straight line. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to open your browser and type in your browser this website, bcbank.se. And this is what you're going to do next. When the web page opens, you're going to see the words "a powerful source of passive income." Now you're going to go and click on login wallet. That button is in a green color, it's in lemon green. So you click on login wallet. Now they are going to give you a login page. But because you do not have an account on this platform yet, you are not going to log in. Instead, you are going to click on the option at the bottom which says "or sign up." So when you click on that sign up button, they are going to ask you to enter your first name and your last name. Now ensure that the names you're writing there are your real names, because these names cannot be edited. And if they detect that you are not straight, you'll be kicked out. So provide accurate information. Enter your first and your last name. Provide your email address, which is valid. It means write an email address that you can log in right now, because they will send you a pin in that email. And number 4, select your country. You see, they are going to give you a list of countries, and the country at the top is Afghanistan. But you click on that country and more countries are going to open. So select your country from that list of countries. It doesn't matter, even if you select the US, you will still make 1 million Kenyan shillings. Even if you select Uganda, you can still earn 1 million Kenyan shillings. I will tell you how you do that. Okay? Then you are going to enter your phone number. Enter a phone number that is connected to the country that you selected. Okay? If you selected United States, you can put your phone number for the United States, but that number must start with the country code. If you selected Uganda, ensure to start with 2567. If you selected Nigeria, ensure to start with 2347, then finish your number. If you selected Ethiopia, you have to start with 251, then 7, because 251 is the country code. Then after entering the phone number, starting with the country code and without a plus sign, don't add a plus sign, just write only the country code and the number. Now the next step is you must provide a sponsor code. You see now that space is empty. There is no sponsor code. So this is what you're going to do. You are going to use my sponsor code this time, because I'm the one who is recommending you. I am the agent who is registering you. So this is my ID. If you use this ID, you will be accepted. If you use any other regular number, you'll be rejected. So you must have this number from a verified agent. So type 23530191. Let me repeat the sponsor code, because that's what now they are asking you after entering your phone number. They want you to provide a sponsor code. Write 23530191. Now, after entering the sponsor code, the next step, you are going to create a PIN code password of 6 numbers. They must be numbers only. So select a combination of 6 numbers that you will remember, and they are going to be your password. Write the same numbers in the next space where they say confirm password. And then next, you're going to see a tiny box next to terms and conditions. Go and click in that box, and they will ask you to either accept the terms and conditions or decline. If you decline, it all stops there. You can't proceed. But place on accept, and then you can proceed to hit the sign up button. Okay, that big sign up button. Now, when that is done, that page is going to remain. It's not going to go away. So what you're going to do after hitting the sign up button, you will go and click on the words in red at the bottom of that sign up page, and they read, if you already have an account, log in here. Now, because you've signed up, now you already have an account. So click on those red words, and they will take you to a login page again. Now, this time, enter your email address that you used when you are signing up, and the PIN code password that you created, that password of 6 numbers. Okay, now when you hit the login button, you're going to get access into your wallet. Now the wallet is in green color. You see it has that green color. So when you scroll down, you are going to see a blue, it's blue, there's a blue circle, and inside that circle you are going to see the word wallet. Okay, so click on that blue button and type the word start and click send. Then type just one and click send. Then they're going to give you a menu with 10 options. Okay, now if you're from Uganda, you're going to type 2 and click send. Now let's deal with people from Uganda first. And then you're going to type 1, which is UGX, and click send. And then you're going to type 1, which is mobile, and click send. And they're going to ask you to enter your mobile phone number starting with your country code without a plus sign. So write either your Airtel or MTN mobile money number. Why are you entering this number at this point? You have opened your account right now, but your account is not active. And you read that word which says that you are not eligible to make any transactions in this place. Please pay subscription. You have an account, but you are not eligible yet. It's like you opening an account, but the account is not active or dormant. So how do you make your account active? Okay, now here you pay a $20 subscription fee. Okay, but remember, I told you you can do it starting from zero. Now let me deal with people that have money, then I'll come to you if you don't have money, because even you can do this. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do it if you don't have money. So let me finish with the people that have the $20. Okay, now that $20 in UGX, it's about 76,000 Ugandan shillings. So you must have at least 76,000 Ugandan shillings on your Airtel or MTN. They will take off what is equivalent to $20 and the balance will be left on your account. So just have that, just in order to be, to be in a secure zone. Now, after ensuring that that money is on that Airtel number or MTN number, that you're going to write in that space, write that number there and click send. You are going to receive a prompt on that phone number requesting you to approve that subscription payment. So when you approve, immediately your account is going to be active, and that red word which says you are not eligible is going to disappear. Now when that happens, now you are ready to start working. Are we together? So this is how you're going to work. Now I'm still flowing with people from Uganda. I'm going to come back to you if you're not from Uganda. Let me first finish with these people. How you can make 1 million Kenyan shillings if you're in Uganda. Now you have your account active. This is now what you're going to do. You're going to go back on your dashboard. You see, on your dashboard, you have a sponsor code that is there and an affiliate link. Okay, now you can choose one of the two. And let me tell you what you can do. Now, you can go and open maybe ChatGPT or any audio, whatever, video makers. Okay. First of all, then you go and ask ChatGPT. First, you instruct ChatGPT. I want to promote my sponsor code for Cash Chat. I am an affiliate marketeer for Cash Chat. When I recommend some